Okay, in this video we're going to be making the design class Revolve challenge. There's quite a few. We're going to be doing this one. When I'm looking at this one, I'm trying to look at the most important information. We've got a wee bit of information in the plan, and you can see that it's just 10 degrees. We'll need that for when we're doing our second revolve. Second sizes I'm looking at is the size and shape I'm going to need for my first revolve. And looking at, see, this is the radius, and you will need the diameter for when you're drawing in your circle. But we'll get to that. There's not too many sizes, and it's pretty straightforward once you actually know the solution to this one. So I'm going to start a 2D steps. Start a new part, metric, standard mm.ipt. I'm going to start a 2D sketch, and I'm going to draw my first circle at 55 and my second circle at 60, and then I'm going to draw in my axis, and I'm going to draw in another line up here that we're going to need to dimension to 20 so that we can cut off the top part that's removed. Then all I need to do is use the trim tool. I can just click and hold, and I can click away all the parts I'm not going to need. So I've got my profile here, and I've got my axis. Finish my sketch, revolve, click my profile, select axis, click my axis, double check that it's getting it all right, and there we go. This second part, the most important part here, is this line that's at 20. And we're going to need an axis right in the middle. We're sort of just assuming that this is going to go right to the center, sort of makes sense. And we'll need to put this into place as well. Also need to make sure that we're trimming off any excess. This line's going right into the middle, so we won't need any shapes in here. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this middle plane here. Draw my line at 20, dimension it into place by clicking the center here. So that's 80, and how far away this is from this part is 25. Then I just need to draw in the rest of my shape. This goes right to the center, and this one will go right to the edge. For this, I'm going to actually project geometry, and it'll give us that line that we'll need as well, and just so we can snap right to the edge there. I'm going to also draw in a line so that it snaps right to that line. It'll just mean we won't have any mistakes. I'm then going to draw a line in the center for my axis and finish my sketch. Go to revolve, select my profile, select my axis, and then go to angle and make this 10 degrees. Now the next part, we're going to use a circular array, but since we don't have any cylinders for to array this around, so if we actually try this, if you use circular array, select the feature, select the rotation axis, you can select that actually. The other things I was doing before doesn't really matter, but I guess that works. And we'll make that 3. So that's that one finished. Good luck.